today, I believe, is the first time that Albanian and Serb leaders of Kosovo meet and talk to one another, establish a dialogue on the most pressing issue of the moment, which is the safety, security, the right to life, the right to property of all inhabitants of this province.
We will stand. We will stand. Could you just sit, please? Well done. I miss it.
I lutem të gjithë qytetarët e Kosovës, qofshin ata me status civil apo ushtarak, të përmbahen dhe të ndikojnë të tjerë që të mos ndërmarrin akte dhune ndaj fqinjeve të tyre. Meq veprimet e këtilla janë të papranueshme, përgjegjësit e veprimet e tilla do të sillen para drejtësisë.
Mi im verujemo i molimo vas da i vi učinite isto. Obe strane osuđuju zločine Miloševićevog režima na Kosovu. Osobe osumnjičene za ratne zločine i zločine protiv čovječnosti će biti izvedene pred lice pravde. Mi podržavamo ulogu Međunarodnog tribunala za ratne zločine. Mir se jedino može graditi na osnovama pravde, a ne uz osvetu.
Okay. Sure.
We have to work together. As first steps, we have agreed today to establish a joint immediate line of communication among ourselves, UNMIK and KFOR, and to hold regular meetings such as today's, to issue joint messages of cooperation and reconciliation on TV and radio, to establish a joint crisis task force together with UNMIK and KFOR to be able to quickly address security problems whenever they occur, including in and around historical and religious sites, and to organize an early meeting among religious and spiritual leaders to call for tolerance and respect for religious sites.
Thank you for your patience and your actions.
Thank you.
Excellent. Good managed at the end.
So, well done. All right. Okay.
I wish you could join us for a dinner.
Oh, the dinner is excellent.
Yeah.
Deze is uw dan.